as the customers are coming from various states like Ludhiana, Himachal, Uttarakhand and Delhi NCR.
We have displayed in Delhi after a long time and the response is really very good.
We have had quality footfalls and had very good inquiries too.
A lot of new customers are coming. We have received a lot of new leads through this.
We find that crowd is very good and also the quality of the participation and the crowd is quite good.
This time I could see that many big players of our industry had participated. Thank you so much. Expecting many more good shows like this in future.